What's up everybody? Today we're going to take you through a tutorial of how to render beeswax into other products. First we start out by melting the beeswax in a double boil method. We're going to put the beeswax in the top pot and the bottom pot is going to be filled with water. Once it turns to a liquid, we will strain it into molds through cheesecloth. This is just food grade cheesecloth. We're going to put it inside of a strainer and pour the wax through to catch out all of the dirt and debris that the wax has collected. It's already been through this process once when we turn it into a cake. And now we're just going to clean our beeswax and pour it into these molds. That way we can use it a little bit later. We just pour it straight through the cheesecloth until it fills up the mold, and then we move to the next one. It captures all of that material, as you can see there. And now the only thing to do is to wait for the wax to cool down inside the molds after they are all poured. That way we can use it in other projects and to make other products. Now after the wax hardens, we can use it for products like candles, wax melts, or lip balms. We're going to take you through making some of those products after we unmold the wax. This is the first video in this series. We're going to be making wax melts, so you'll have to stay tuned to find out how the wax melts turn out, but that is how you render and clean your beeswax as for a first video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel or click on some of the other videos, part 2 and 3 that will come out with rendering beeswax. And yeah, stay cool.